To add a video to a product page on Shopbase, start by logging into your Shopbase account and navigating to the product page where you want to add the video. Click on the product title to access the product details page. In the product details page, scroll down to the media section and click on the Add Media button. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select the type of media you want to add. Choose video from the options. You will then be prompted to either upload a video from your computer or enter a video link from a hosting platform such as YouTube or Vimeo. If you choose to upload a video, select the video file from your computer and wait for it to upload. If you choose to enter a video link, paste the link into the provided field. Once the video is uploaded or the link is entered, you can add a title and description to the video. This will help customers understand the content of the video. You can also choose to set the video as the main product media, which will display it as the primary product image. After adding the video, click Save to update the product page. The video will now be displayed on the product page, allowing customers to view it and get a better understanding of the product. Best practices for adding videos to product pages include keeping videos short and informative, using high-quality video content, and optimizing videos for mobile devices. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively add videos to your product pages on Shopbase and enhance the shopping experience for your customers.